About 5 minutes was track report.
No worries.
Check 1 2 1 2. PA check 1 2 1 2 1 2. Check 1 2 1 2. Check 1 2 1 2.
Thank you.
A concerted effort. It was a goal for the Mar Eustace team to see if they can become the champion trainers of Australia.
It's been building and building and building, and then this year we've got a fantastic addition of the race, capacity field, and it's what you hope for when you put this race on.
Our feature event of the afternoon is the Lexus Andrew Ramsden Stakes. It's a 2,800 metre listed contest worth $500,000 more important, and that is a guaranteed place in the 2023 Lexus Melbourne Cup for the winner of this race.
It looks to be a bit of pressure in the race, being such a big field. So I think we'll roll forward into a forward spot, take our time to get there. If it's lead or if it's third, fourth, fifth, wherever he's nice and comfortable in a good rhythm. And as long as it's a good tempo as well, we want it to be a solid tempo the whole way and really use the start.
And it was suiting him to solid tempo, because it will get you into a real rhythm, won't it?
Yes, agree.
I think he deserves favouritism. He looks, if he's not going to be in front, he'll be close to the speed. Nice horse, one to beat, I think.
13 mares have won this race. The flag flyer for that group is the 17 Luna Flair, the Bart Cummings winner here back in the spring.
Both runs this preparation have been really good. I think she's the main danger to the favourite.
She's an easy horse to like from the yard, and she presents in typically beautiful order today.
They stand pretty well, an attendant with Alaka Khan. Ready, and they're racing. Alaka Khan broke well, no speed. Celino, True Marvel led it early. With on the inside Timor, and out wider on the course, he's a Shockers looking for a forward position with White Marlin.
Southern France at the blue jackets, about 5 wide, looking for a spot, and then came forward Symphony. That one
Castellar War towards the back is Long Arm, and two further back Celino last. White Marlin at the 300, grabbed by Luna Flair, who ran on by. Then El Patronex, a gap Castellar War. It's over. Luna Flair at the 150. 4 lengths, 5 lengths in front, and the mare is going to come away, Luna Flair, and get her spot in Australia's most iconic race, the Cup.
Perfectly ridden.
Just White Marlin.
That's the best she's ever felt. That was amazing.
That was an amazing ride. The way that you got it off the fence, and the way that you what a ride! What a ride!
You are winning on a breeze. Cheers, guys.
Thanks, Vicky.